This device is our RW800 series. This model is mainly composed of three parts: the host, the wet dust collector and high pressure adsorption machine. Below, I will explain the pipeline connection, the power line connection, and the operating process. After the equipment arrives at the site, we must place the dust collector and adsorption machine first. Before connecting the pipelines, make sure that the adsorption machine is no more than 2 meters away from the host machine, and the dust collector is no more than 4 meters away from the host machine. Otherwise, it will affect the adsorption and dust collection effects. After the equipment is placed, connect the pipelines. The silencer is disassembled when shipped and needs to be installed at the site. After installation, it needs to be connected with a hose. This is a 200 millimeters diameter pipeline, which is the same as the one connected to the host. Connect it and fix it with a hose clamp. Fix the other side with screws, and then seal it with tape. Regarding the connection between the adsorption machine and the host, the 250 millimeters hose used. After the pipes are connected, connect the power cord and air source. Now let me explain in detail. This is the main wire access point of the equipment, the three-phase wire and the ground wire. This frequency converter is the wire access point of the adsorption machine. The phase sequence of each wire is marked, as well as that of the dust collector. After the main power line is connected, turn on the switch and observe the phase sequence. If the lights are on, it is correct. After the pipelines are connected and before trial operation, the dust collector needs to be filled with water. The top is the water inlet and the bottom is the sewage outlet. The water adding position should not exceed the highest point of the water level. At the bottom left of the device is the access point of the main gas source, which is connected to a 2 millimeters hose connection. After connecting the pipelines, power cords, and air sources, let's introduce the operating procedures of the machine. After the equipment arrives at the site, before installing the abrasive belt, you need to remove the connecting rod. After the abrasive belt is installed, press the tension switch. Now comes the operation of the machine. First, measure the thickness of the plate and enter the thickness. The platform will automatically rise to the set height. Turn on the abrasive belt station, adsorption machine. Revolution and rotation of the rotating brush, conveyor belt, and dust collector. In this way, we have completed all operations.